Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So as you notice today, I don't have the board with the logo with me. Why? Because take a look back here. We got a bigger logo in here. So like I said, we're setting up a brand new 300 tons heavy machinery workshop. And then as you can see, this is the gantry crane. The 300 tons plus 100 tons gantry crane that has just arrived. And it's a double beam gantry crane. This is one beam, and then we also have another beam outside. So as you can see, the lifting capacity is 300 tons and plus minus 100 tons. And then with our company's logos on it. So this new workshop, like I said last time, will be finished up by June. And then later on, we'll be installing the 16 meters vertical lace. So yeah, thank you guys. Here is an update of our installation of our gantry crane. And also we're going to install this today with a hoist. So yeah, let's look forward to that. So see you in our next video.